Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the phone above 15% and unlock it. Next, press and hold the power key until the power menu appears, then tap and hold power off. When the safe mode prompt appears, choose Reboot to safe mode or disable safe mode. Press OK. You do this because Samsung uses a software toggle to isolate third-party apps, and holding power off triggers that toggle. Once done, make sure the device begins restarting and shows safe mode or boots normally. If the phone still boots into safe mode, you continue by restarting normally via the power menu. Sometimes a simple restart clears the flag. If safe mode returns, uninstall the most recently installed or updated apps one by one, rebooting after each uninstall to identify the culprit. Meanwhile, physically inspect and press the volume keys. Safe mode sometimes triggers from a stuck button, so clean the rim and test key movement. These steps isolate software versus hardware causes, which is why you proceed methodically. To finish, once safe mode stops appearing, open Settings, go to Apps and disable or uninstall any app that caused the issue, then reboot to confirm normal operation. If safe mode still appears and hardware is suspected, boot into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition. This clears temporary system files without erasing personal data. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up everything. If nothing works, one troubleshooting tip: test with a different physical power and volume key replacement. Faulty buttons often recreate safe mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.